Will Tesla accept Dogecoin? I personally think that this will happen, and potentially by the end of the year, before this year is up. We're going to be talking about this, and we're also going to be talking about there's this huge options expiration which is going to be happening tomorrow, which could push the prices of cryptos up like crazy. And we're also going to be talking about Floki Inu, so make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make every single day about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you want to get my hidden insights into the market where I give you guys daily updates, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where you can also get access to the 5,000 member Discord chat group community. Don't forget, I'm giving away 200 Dogecoin to one lucky winner tomorrow. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. And if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, you are bullish, make sure you smash up the like button and let me know what you think is going to be happening to cryptocurrencies tomorrow. So the first thing we want to look at is this Bitcoin options expiration. Well, you're like, Myles, well, why are we talking about Bitcoin? Because when this options expiration becomes very bullish, it pushes the price of Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies up like crazy. So tomorrow we are seeing a $3 billion options expiration, where we are seeing this blue chart right here, where we're seeing the blue and the red. The red is basically the bears, the amount of bears there are in the market, and the blue, just to keep it simple for this video, are the people that are bullish. So we are seeing a lot of bullish sentiment here. And digging in even to the September options expiration, that was showing you a plethora of months. We are looking at a deep dive into the open interest strike prices for September. And all of that information basically equates, as we are seeing more green, is there's more calls than puts, which basically means that there's more bulls than bears. When the bulls are in control of the market, when there's more money into bullish sentiment, that pushes the price of cryptocurrencies like crazy. And then we have here these bears. These bears are betting billions of dollars on Bitcoin for it to go down. And if these bears get caught with their pants down, basically meaning that Bitcoin continues to go up and not hit the numbers that they were betting on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin specifically in this event to get to, that means the bears will lose billions of dollars. So what they have to do to cover their losses and to make sure they don't lose all their money, they have to create open call positions, they have to go long, they have to buy back positions, and they have to buy cryptocurrencies. A whole bunch of things that they have to do to make money, to get into profit, and to prevent themselves from losing all of their money. And what does that happen? That causes a huge supply and demand shortage, where it pushes cryptos up like crazy, and this is called a long squeeze. So we could potentially see a lot of volatility tomorrow, and I believe, based on this information, because the bulls are in control of the market and anything can happen at any time, the bears can gain control just like that. But what we are seeing right now is that the bulls are in control of the market. You know, Bitcoin is pumping right now, it's doing some awesome things, wonderful to see, which we will be taking a look at in just a second. But the bulls are in control of the market, and if they do regain this control and they do maintain this control, we could see some amazing things for cryptocurrencies starting tomorrow, potentially tonight. Early tomorrow morning, there's going to be volatility in the afternoon, potentially starting off a huge run for this weekend. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. And before we talk about Elon Musk and Tesla, I want to talk to you about when is going to be the best time to sell in this market. But before we get to that, let me show you Floki Inu. So I talked about this crypto on this channel just a couple of weeks ago. And when we did, if you were able to buy in, just based on my video, you would have made significant profits. But ever since then, you know, the whole cryptocurrency market has seen a correction. Floki Inu has seen a correction just like the rest of the crypto market. But Floki Inu has some very cool things that's going to be happening. I personally think that this is a good long-term investment, not anything to go crazy all in on. So I personally believe that the next time Elon Musk posts a picture of his dog, we're going to see this crypto pump again like crazy. And every other subsequent time, we're also going to see probably similar bigger or smaller pumps according with Elon Musk posting pictures of his dog. And in addition to just this cryptocurrency, you know, pumping based on Elon Musk's dog, they actually got listed on Gate.io, which is pretty interesting, which is a top 10 cryptocurrency exchange. And they have these major marketing campaigns that I've been looking into, that they have a billboard on Times Square in New York City. They have a major marketing campaign in LA to get around all these billboards all around the city as well. And they recently created this whole NFT project where they raised $1 million and change to donate to a particular project. So it's definitely really cool. So I personally think, this is not financial advice, just my own opinion. I wouldn't go all in on this. I wouldn't make huge positions, but I definitely think it would not hurt to put a small speculative position of Floki Inu in your portfolio. Okay, so now we're getting into the thick of this video, and before we talk about Elon Musk and Tesla, let's talk about this. So this veteran trader explains when it's best time to cash out of the market. And this is a great question. A lot of people are wondering, okay, when Dogecoin goes up or when cryptocurrencies go up, when should I be taking profits, Myles? Because in my Patreon, I do announce when to buy and sell. The best time to be selling is not right now. This is an accumulation phase because cryptocurrencies are in a bull run and they are about to take off and go crazy. So what we want to be doing is that cryptocurrencies move at cycles. They move and have tops, they have bottoms. And we believe with on-chain data analysis and with a bunch of information that I look for behind the scenes to keep you all informed in the cryptocurrency market, is that we will potentially be seeing this top towards the end of the year. And I'm going to have indicators. We're going to have a bunch of information to show us once we start getting really close to this top. So once we start getting really close to this top, we're going to definitely want to start taking some profits, slowly taking profits out, and then allowing some to ride out for a long period of time while taking a good remainder of our profits, so that when cryptocurrencies do drop, because they will have a correction, they will have a potential big crash in the future, then we buy that bottom and come in with even more cryptocurrency, with more money, by just timing the market right. So I will be letting you know in the Patreon when that time will start to be coming close, and we're going to be keeping a close eye on the market. And Yoshi specifically says that he wants to tell you all hi and that he loves you. And what do you think of his bow tie? Is this thing cool or what? So let's go ahead and talk about Elon Musk and Tesla. So Elon Musk came out today and he said that he wants fees to drop in order for, purchasing tickets at the movie theater to be a viable option for people, for AMC. And we were talking about AMC during this time period. And Elon Musk is right. Elon Musk is certainly right. And Elon Musk, along with the Dogecoin developers, they're pushing, doing the best they can to bring these fee reductions as fast as possible, to make the fees basically zero and to speed up these transaction processes, so that when you buy cryptocurrencies, so that when you buy products with Dogecoin, it'll be just like an ATM transaction, super fast, super cheap. So we're getting close to that target goal as far as the developmental side as Dogecoin is concerned. And I personally believe that when these fees get to where Elon Musk needs them and wants them as heading the Dogecoin project, the development of Dogecoin, and in addition to the speed, I think that Tesla will at that point accept Dogecoin. And I also think that at that very time that Elon will accept Bitcoin again and Dogecoin at the same very time. And now that because of most of the Bitcoin mining is not in China, but it's in the United States, where a lot of these American Bitcoin mining companies are more energy efficient and green friendly, that's going to get to the standards where Elon Musk wanted Bitcoin to be for Tesla to accept Bitcoin, and at the same time accepting Dogecoin. And this could potentially happen. This development of Dogecoin, the fees, the speeds, could potentially be before the end of the year. So before the end of the year, Tesla could accept Dogecoin. And if this does happen with AMC, with the AMC community coming to Dogecoin, all of these different things pushing the price of Dogecoin up, the hype will be much greater than we've ever seen before for Dogecoin. And we can certainly see, especially if Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies reach these very high numbers, we could certainly see $1, $2, maybe $3 for Dogecoin at the end of the year. But it really depends on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin reaches that $150,000 to $100,000 mark by the end of the year, what Ethereum does, all of these different factors come into play. But the possibility is still there for Dogecoin to hit easily above $1, I believe. But $2 and maybe above. We don't know. We never expected Dogecoin to break, 20 cents or 30 cents. So how much more, we were thinking, oh, what if Dogecoin goes to 40 cents, this and that? How much more we were thinking, oh, well, what if Dogecoin hits $1? We're setting our standards so low. I think Dogecoin will probably outperform our expectations. That's just my opinion. None of this is financial advice. So let's just take a look at some technical analysis. So taking a look earlier, we were able to break out of that level of resistance, which is really good. Our resistance level was here. We ended up breaking out of it, which is a very, very bullish signal, which means we're going to continue. We're going to have a continuance to the upside, a bullish continuance. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin did the same thing. Look, we broke out of here. I told you guys earlier, look, we came and tested, but most likely we're going to break past it. And we did right here. That is the breakout that we are looking for, which means that we are going to continue to go up. But at any point, yes, volatility can come, FUD can come, we could definitely come down a bit, and eventually bounce before heading up even further. These are certain possibilities. But looking at Dogecoin, we are starting to head up right now. And if you look at the chart, we are forming a bullish flag. If you come back and look on this video and a couple of days later, we will most likely be much higher, and that is if we do continue in this bullish momentum overall in the cryptocurrency market. So overall, things are looking wonderful. They're looking very bullish. But remember, things can flip just like that in a flip of a switch. But overall, we are bullish. We might be bullish for the next couple of days, but overall, the end of the year, October, is going to be very bullish. November is going to be extremely bullish. December is going to be extremely bullish because the stock market, money is very bullish in that time period every single year. If you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth of $4,000. And that's going to be it for today's video. So if you got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button, blow up the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Share this video, and I will see you all later.